Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'll be showing you how to cancel your VidiQ subscription in 3 different ways. Okay, so let's get right into it. So the outline here tells us 3 different ways to cancel our VidiQ subscription. The first method is to downgrade your channel to a free plan. Okay, obviously when you have a free plan you won't have to pay anymore. So how do you do that? The easiest method is to open your VidiQ dashboard, and once you do that, right here by the top right you can see a drop down menu. So just